Good morning. So it's our first day. We're about to, we're packed up. We spent the night here in the town actually that we're living in, and we're gonna be heading up north to our first spot. We're super excited.
Yeah, we're super excited. I've never traveled across Canada before, so I'm
Not even
not
up to
quite
province.
sure what's coming. Yeah, I've stayed in Ontario all my life, but this is an adventure, and we're really looking forward to it.
Absolutely. So what we're doing, for those that don't know, we got rid of everything in the cities with everything that's going on, and we're moving off grid. We have our one pup there ready to go, our newest addition right here, and yeah, so stay tuned. We're gonna have you guys join us on our journey to our new life off grid. She's sitting low. Freezer, job box. Hey guys. Hey guys. What are you doing, Tank? Hey? Oh, the Roxy. Alright, let's go pick up Mom here. Here she comes. Hi, my small.
Room key?
Hi, my small. Are we good?
Yes, we are. Yes, we are.
So we're driving here about an hour and a half into this ride. And one thing that this has taught us is this is a great time to call those corporate numbers that put you on hold for, you know, half hour, an hour, waiting on bell. Good thing we got another 3 hours ahead of us. We have time.
Press the button.
You know what else I'm going to tomorrow?
What?
My merino wool.
Go to Cortex.
All right, it's almost 3 o'clock in the morning. Yeah, so this is day 2. Yesterday we had about a 5-hour drive, which was nice and easy. Didn't sleep the greatest because little puppy kept us up all night. Don't know what her issue is, but it is what it is. So today we have the longest stretch and one of the most annoying stretches. We have about a 11-hour stretch from where we are here to our next point, and then we finally get out of the area, out of the province, and
I shall keep that at the ready.
Oh, this is what happens when you take the Trans-Canada Highway and then there's 2 accidents up ahead. Probably about 20 minutes from our hotel after 11 hours of driving. So, good way to finish off the day. Take the pup for a walk, clean the truck. But yeah, might be a while if you see this. Alright, 5 in the morning on day 3. Just leaving Mainstay Suites. Anyone wanting to a good chain to stay at? These guys are great. You can see that sign. These guys are like awesome. They accept mask exemptions. top quality mattress, like one of the best sleeps I've ever got. I think Kimberly can vouch for that. So I'm out here just letting the dogs out, run around just before we head out for another 8 hours, and warming up the truck and all that stuff.
That's so trippy because I can now see myself in
Yeah.
the mirror, but I can see myself two ways.
Alright, my small.
Okay. Are you
So,
gonna talk first?
I don't know, are we talking?
Oh yes. I think so.
What today's day 3? Is it
Day
three?
4.
Day
No,
four?
no. Wait a second. It's day.
This is what happens
Day
when
5.
you travel cross country. You don't know
It's
what
day
it is.
5, I think. Yeah, day
No,
5.
'cause
Yes.
we went 1 to north and then across, and then we went across up to here. Today's day 4. So this is the beginning of day 4. Yesterday was 3 full days. 'Cause we went
Yes.
yeah.
Yes, because we've had 3 stops so far.
Yeah,
3
exactly. So
places.
today's day 4. We finally figured this one out. Sorry, we slept in a little bit. At 7:30 in the morning. Usually we're on the road already by now.
Yeah, but shorter trip today.
Yeah, today we only have a 5-hour trip.
5 hours. Yeah.
5 hours. So, yeah, we got full tank. We'll probably stop for some ice cream.
Dairy Queen.
Let these idiots out a little bit. You know, they've been pretty good actually. So those that have been complaining about road trips with dogs, we really don't
Can't
know.
relate.
We
Don't know what you're talking about.
These two have been actually absolutely great to travel with, and yeah. So today we got one more, and then it's going to be a longer one after that.
Yeah.
Into the mountains.
And we got 3 more days of traveling.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we're halfway basically. Just yeah, it'll be good. So stay tuned. We'll give you some more updates, some more scenery, and keep you
Look forward to
posted.
talking to you
Yeah.
guys.
Fucking great braking. That's right, you won't need one now where we're going.
Yes, you're right. We don't need one. Hi, everybody. This is our last stop before our final leg or final stretch of our journey. This is day 7 now.
Last day.
Last day. Yeah. So we're super excited. Just thought we'd give you guys an update. Yeah.
So yeah, we are about 3 hours away from our new off-grid life. Yeah, we're super excited. It's been a long drive. So yeah, we are currently just in our hotel room waiting for the lawyers to firm up everything, and then actually what's a nice thing is the owners are gonna the ex-owners are gonna actually take us out to the property and show us how to get out there and get the property up and running, and
Yeah, which is really great
Which is
because we
great.
were really looking forward to being able to meet them in person and say hello and make some connections in the community. Yeah, so we're really excited to be up there and have them show us everything. And
yeah.
we'll
Got a few per year. Fucking have enough wood. Oh my gosh, that was bumping.
deeper we go.
Alright, so supposedly we're about a mile from our new place. We just stopped in to visit some neighbors that actually were nice enough to start our wood burning stove and keep the house warm for us, so we get into a nice warm house.
And plowed the driveway. And they plowed the driveway.
They plowed the driveway
Yeah.
too? Oh wow. Wow. Okay, so I didn't even know that they've also plowed the driveway. So yeah, it's we're very fortunate to have this, and so yeah, we're gonna keep this going because we've never seen our place, so this will be the first time we see it.
Other than in pictures.
Yeah, other than pictures.
And close to tea.
Look at
Oh
this
my god.
Look at this driveway. Whoa. All right, we're pulling up. Oh my gosh.
Look, there it
Oh
is.
my gosh. Oh my god.
There.
It's exactly like the pictures.
Exactly. This is amazing. Oh my god.
This is awesome. We made it. Hey, good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
You guys need to check out this view. We just woke up a couple hours ago, started unloading the trailer and all that, and that was about 6 o'clock, but it was still dark out. Now we just finally got to see our sunrise here, so come here, take a look at this. Now I'm going to turn this around. So what was Kimberly just saying there? How long am I going to be looking at this view for?
Something like 50 years.
And am I going to have a problem with it? I don't think so. How about you, Kimberly?
Nope.
No,
Nope.
not at all.
It's beautiful.
Absolutely, absolutely. So we're going to continue unpacking here, and I don't know, it's going to be one big mess for a couple days here. So we'll try and keep you guys posted with progress and what's going on here. But yeah, I just thought I'd show you that on our first morning out here. All right, we'll chat to you later.